Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green Schools. Today date is 4 July. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. So now we will start lesson number 5, factors and multiplies. So today's topic is exercise 5.4. So before starting our exercise, first we will see what you had learned in the last classes. So what you had learned in the last classes: multiplies, property of multiplies. What is the property of multiplies? Every number is multiply of itself. Then every number is multiply of 1. Then property number 3 is the multiple of number is always greater than or equal to number itself. Then property number 4, a number has uncountable number of multiplies. And property number 5 is there is no large multiplies of a number. Then next topic is the odd and even number. Which is the odd number? A number which is multiply of 2 is called even number. And what is the odd number? A number which is not multiply of 2 called an odd number. The next topic is factors. What is the factor? A factor of number divide the number without leaving a remainder. A factor of number divide the number without leaving a remainder. Then our next topic what? Factor tree. The following diagram are factor tree. This is the diagram of factor tree. 6 number, that's 6 number 2, which is the factor. 3 and 2 are the factor of 6. Now today's topic is prime and composite number. What is the today topic, student? Prime and composite number. So what is the prime number and what is the composite number, student? Anyone know what is the prime number and what is the composite number? So now I will start with what is the prime number and what is the composite number. So look at this factor tree 30. Look at that factor 30. So how many factor of 30? 1, 2, 3. Which? 1, 2, 3. First factor of 30 is 6 into 5. After multiply 6 into 5, we will get 30. Now 5 not have any factor, so we are writing 5 as it is. Now 6 factor is 3 and 2. So after multiply 3 and 2, we will get 6. Now we will multiply 3 into 2, 6, and 6 into 5, 30. Okay students. Now next factor of 30. 10 into 3. 10 into 3. 30 have a second factor 10 and 3. Now 3 not have any factor, so we will write 3 as it is. Now we will take out the factor of tens. So what is the factor of 10, student? 5 and 2. This is the factor of 10. After multiply 5 and 2, we will get 10. So now we will check answer. 5 into 2, how much, student? 10. And 10 into 3, 30. Now third factor of 30. 30. So 30 have a 2 factor, that 15 into 2. 15 into 2. Now 2 not have any factor, so 2 we are writing as it is. Now 3 into 5 into 2. So 15 factor is 3 and 5. After multiply 3 and 5, we will get 15. Now we will check answer. 3 into 5, 15, and 15 into 2, 30. Okay students. Now look at this. Note that the bottom row of factor tree show the same factor 2, 3, 5 2, 3, 5 cannot be split into the further factor. In each of them has only 2 factor at number itself. So now look at there, which is the prime number and which is the composite number. Number which have only 2 factor. How many factor? 2 factors. Which 2 factors? 1 and the number itself are called prime factor. Student, प्राइम फैक्टर किसको बोलते हैं? जो नंबर, जिस नंबर के ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स है. हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स? 2 फैक्टर्स. विच 2 फैक्टर? दैट नंबर 1 एंड नंबर इटसेल्फ. जिसके फैक्टर क्या होता है? 1 होता है और नंबर इटसेल्फ होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 किसी नंबर से डिवाइड होता है क्या? नहीं. तो 5 का फैक्टर क्या है? 1 है और इटसेल्फ नंबर है. कौन सा नंबर है? 1 नंबर है और 5 इटसेल्फ नंबर है. The number which have a 2 factor, 1 and the number itself are called prime factors. So which number is prime factor? Let's see here. List the all prime factor between the 11 and 20. हमें कौन से factors निकालना है? 11 to 20. So which number is factors of? Which is the factors of prime number? सो लुक एट देयर. 11 किसी टेबल में आता है क्या? 11 को किसके साथ हम लोग डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? नो. सो 11 इज द स्टूडेंट व्हाट? 11 इज द प्राइम नंबर बिकॉज 11 हैव ओनली 2 फैक्टर. विच 2 फैक्टर? 1 एंड दैट इटसेल्फ नंबर. देन आफ्टर 11 विच नंबर इज कमिंग? 12. सो 12 have a prime number? No, because 12 divided by 2 and 12 also divided by 4. So 12 is not a prime number. The next number is the 13. 13 its number is prime number because 13 have a 2 factors only, 1 and that number itself. 13 किसी के साथ डिवाइड नहीं होता है. 30 के 2 factors है, 1 and that 13 only. Now next is the 17. 17 की भी only 2 factors है. Which 2 factors? 1 and that itself number means 17. Now next is a 19. 19 also 2 factors, that 1 and itself numbers. The number 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 have a more than 2 factors. किसके फैक्टर 2 से ज़्यादा है? 4 is divided by 2. So we will write, look at there all of you. Number 4. Okay, that 4 have a more than 2 factor. 4 2 into 2 we will get 4 and 4 have a more than 2 factor. Which more than 2 factor? 1 then 2 and that itself number 4. So 4 क्या है? Composite number. A number which have a more than 2 factor are called composite number. जिस नंबर के फैक्टर 2 से ज़्यादा रहते हैं उसको हम कंपोजिट नंबर बोलते हैं. अगेन कंपोजिट नंबर मीन्स सपोज यू आर टेकिंग एनी नंबर and after dividing this number we will get remainder 0. This number is called composite number. Suppose for example मैंने 16 लिया है तो 16 को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. यस 16 को हम 2 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो 2 divided by 16 how much getting 8. Then again 16 is where coming 16 4 के टेबल भी आता है. सो 4 into 4 we will get 16. 2 into 8 we will get 16, and 1 into 16 equal to 16, and again which number? That is the factor of 16. So what is the factors of 16? Factors of 16 is 1, 16, 4 and 2 and 8. This is the factor of 16. तो 16 क्या होता है? एक से ज़्यादा नंबर्स के साथ डिवाइड होता है, तो 16 is the factors. 16 is the composite number. Now look at them. List all the composite number between the 11 and 20. 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. These are the all composite number because they are divided by number and these have a more than 2 factor. The number which have more than 2 factor are called composite number. Now property of factor. What is the property of factors? Number 1, every number can be divided by 1 without leaving a remainder. Therefore 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Every number can be divided by 1 without leaving a remainder. 1 नंबर क्या होता है? सभी नंबर के साथ डिवाइड होता है और उसका रिमाइंडर क्या रहता है? आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग 0. 1 is the factors of every number and 1 is the smallest factor of every number. और 1 क्या है? सभी नंबर का सबसे छोटा फैक्टर है क्योंकि 1 सभी नंबर को क्या होता है? डिवाइड होता है. देन प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2. एवरी नंबर कैन बी डिवाइड बाय इटसेल्फ विदाउट लिविंग a remainder. Therefore every number is the factors of itself. Every number is factor of itself number. मतलब हम कोई भी नंबर ले, एग्जाम्पल 6 नंबर. 6 नंबर 6 के साथ क्या होता है? डिवाइड होता है और आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग वी विल गेट फैक्टर्स 0, वी विल गेट रिमाइंडर 0. सो क्या है? Every number is the factors of itself number. So for that I wrote here one example. 6 is divided by 6. After dividing 6 we will get 0. Means 6 क्या है? itself number of factors है. Now property number 3. A number has a limited number of factors. 15 has a 4 factors and 24 has a 8 factors. सभी नंबर के क्या होते हैं? लिमिटेड फैक्टर रहते हैं. क्या रहते हैं? लिमिटेड फैक्टर रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15 के कितने फैक्टर्स है? 4 फैक्टर्स है. विच 4? 15 have a 4 factor. Which factor? That 15 is divided by 3 and 5. So which factors of 15? 1 is the factor of every number. Then 15 is itself number. 3 and 5, that 4 is the factors of 15 number. Now next 24. 24 has a 8 factors. So which 8 factors of 24? 24. 24 is divided by 2. After dividing 24 we will get 2 and 12. Now 2 is not the factors of any number. Now we will take out that 2 and 6. Okay. Now 2 we will write as it is, and now 6 factors is 2 and 3. 12 factors is 24 have a 8 factor, means 24, then itself number 1, then 12, and which table is coming? 24. In 3 tables coming 24. So 3 is the factors of 24. Then 8 is also factors of 24. Now in 4 tables also coming 24. Yes, so 6 and 4, these also factors of 24. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, these are the factors of 24. कौन से factors है 24 के? 1 24 12 3 8 6 and 4, these are the factors of 24. Why factors of this number 24? Because after dividing by 24 we will get this number. Okay, then next, a factor of number is neither equal to or small than the number. क्या होता है? A factors of number is neither equal to small than the number. The bigger factors of number is the number itself. जो नंबर के फैक्टर होते वो क्या रहते हैं? एक तो वो इटसेल्फ नंबर रहता है, नहीं तो उससे स्मॉल नंबर रहता है. उससे क्या नहीं रहता है? बड़ा नंबर उस नंबर का फैक्टर नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 15. सो 15 के कौन से 2 फैक्टर्स है? 3 एंड 5. और 15 इटसेल्फ फैक्टर्स है, लेकिन 15 से बड़ा हम उसका फैक्टर ले सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. हम 15 को 18 को 15 के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं, क्योंकि ये बिग है 15 से. ओके, सो 15 हैव अ इटसेल्फ फैक्टर्स एंड स्मॉल फैक्टर. किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर क्या होते हैं? उसका नंबर, नहीं इटसेल्फ नंबर, नहीं तो उससे छोटा नंबर. सो नाउ we will start exercise 5.4. So question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Each prime number has a exactly. prime number के कितने factors रहते हैं? Exactly 2 factors. Which 2 factors? 1 and itself number. So here in filling the blanks is coming 2. The factors of prime number are the number itself and prime factors के कौन से 2 factors रहते हैं? itself number and 1. The number filling the blanks has only 1 factor. कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिसका factors only 1 रहता है? तो which is the number 1. 1 का कोई भी factor नहीं है, उसका itself factors है. If a number has a more than 2 factor, it is not a filling the blanks number. अगर किसी नंबर का फैक्टर 2 से ज़्यादा है तो उसको हम 2 से ज़्यादा है तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कंपोजिट नंबर. बट दे व्हाट हियर सेइंग, इफ द नंबर हैज़ अ मोर दैन फैक्टर इट इज़ नॉट. अगर किसी नंबर का फैक्टर 2 से ज़्यादा है तो हम उसको कौन सा नंबर नहीं बोलते हैं? उसको हम प्राइम नंबर नहीं बोलते हैं. फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स इज द नंबर विच इज़ नाइदर प्राइम और कंपोजिट नंबर. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो प्राइम भी नहीं है और कंपोजिट भी नहीं? सो नंबर 1 इज द नंबर विच इज़ नाइदर प्राइम और नॉट कंपोजिट नंबर. सो एक्सरसाइज 5.4 question number B, C, D we will solve in next period. I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day. Have a nice day. So one thing that filling the blank, this is the homework for you in your test book. Okay.